Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, hi, I'm Dr. Poonam Voike. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about one thing, Centella asiatica extract. Centella asiatica is also called as gotu kola or tiger grass, and it has been known for its soothing and calming properties which helps in reducing irritation as well as redness on the skin. Centella asiatica has been widely used for treating wounds as well as reducing any kind of rashes or redness on the skin. Its active ingredients such as asiaticoside and madecassoside helps in soothing acne as well as reducing any kind of redness that are present on the skin. Centella asiatica extract also helps in improving the elasticity of the skin as well as provides intense hydration. Coming to the product details one by one, so this 150 ml of bottle retails for 1050 rupees. And as you can see that it is almost finished because it is a very good multi-purpose product and I have been using it in a variety of ways for my skin. Coming to the ingredient list, so it contains 95% of Centella asiatica extract along with butylene glycol and 1,2-hexanidiol. If your skin is really sensitive or prone to rashes or redness or acne, Centella asiatica extract is a very good ingredient to include in your skincare because it has anti-inflammatory properties which helps in reducing inflammation as well as redness. Using Centella asiatica regularly in your skincare routine can also help in controlling sebum production as well as improves the hydration levels. Now this product has a very water-like consistency and it absorbs really nicely into the skin. Now Centella asiatica extract has moisturizing properties, so whenever you will apply it on your skin will feel really moisturized as well as hydrated, but it will not feel greasy or sticky at the same time. And it can be used in multiple ways. So what I do, I use it as a toner. I just take some cotton pad and apply it on my face, or I just gently pat some of this product on my skin. Second thing, I use it as a mist. So what I do, I just take some of this product in a spray bottle like this and I use it as a mist throughout the day. So it works well with makeup too. So if you're wearing any kind of BB cream or sunscreen on your skin and you're spraying this mist on your skin, so it will not ruin your makeup. Now the other way which I use this is I just soak some cotton pads and apply it on my skin on problematic areas wherever I'm seeing any kind of emerging acne or I am experiencing some kind of redness or irritation. So I just keep that cotton pad soaked in this Centella asiatica extract for 15 minutes on my skin, and then I just gently pat the remaining toner on my skin and follow up with my moisturizer. So this is the product I look for whenever my skin is not doing well or it is irritated. So apart from this, I also use it in my face mask. I have a tendency to apply powdered clay mask or multani mitti on my skin to just absorb the excess sebum or excess oil from my skin. So I use the Centella asiatica extract while mixing my clay mask and then apply it on my skin, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Now this Centella asiatica extract has become my liquid of choice for using any kind of DIY mask which I'm using in my skincare. Now they have also mentioned in their packaging that you can use it along with your moisturizer. So you can just take some amount of this extract as well as your cream, mix it nicely and then apply it on your skin. I really like the fact that you can use this extract multiple ways in various forms, whatever you like, and it has a very simple ingredient list. It does not contain any sort of fragrance, so it will be suited by sensitive skin people too. Overall saying, I'm really happy with this product and I'm going to purchase it again. Now one thing is a brand which has launched various kind of extracts and it is available at Sublime Life, and as I am an affiliate with Sublime Life, you can get flat 10% off on their products. So if anyone is interested in trying out these products, I'll just put down the purchase link in the description box. You can use my coupon code Poonam Voike to get flat 10% off. So this is all for today. Hope you like the video. If you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. You can also connect with me on Instagram. See you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, bye.